Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix no audio devices installed on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your audio device, then I will show you some of the steps to resolve this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type in troubleshoot. You can see here troubleshoot, just click on this. Click on other troubleshooters. In this you can see here playing audio, just you need to click on run. After that it will fix all your audio devices issue. Still you are facing the issue, then close this window, just click on start menu again, then type your device manager, click on device manager. In this you can see here sound, video and game controller, double click on that, select your audio driver, right click on that, click on update driver. You can see here browse my computer for the drivers, select this option, let me pick from a list of available drivers, select your audio driver and click on next and click on yes, and your driver will be updated. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, click on start menu again, click on settings, click on Windows Update. If there is any update pending for your Windows, just you can update it from here. After updating, you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no audio devices installed on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.